Question number 8. How do the following reactants react together? Write down complete reactions and balance the resulting equations. Students, you can see that iron plus hydrochloric acid. When iron reacts chemically with hydrochloric acid, the product ferrous chloride and hydrogen gas are formed. Now I have done this equation for you. When iron reacts with hydrochloric acid, ferrous chloride plus hydrogen gas is involved. We can write in the form of chemical equation like this. This is word equation, this is chemical equation, because it is written in the form of symbols and chemical formulas. The symbol for iron is Fe, for hydrochloric acid HCl, for ferrous chloride FeCl2, and for hydrogen H2. Now in order to balance this, we will apply head to tail rule. Trial and error. We will count the number of we will count the atoms of each element on both sides of the equation. Then we will come to know that the number of hydrogen and chlorine atom are less on this side. Then we will multiply this formula of HCl with suitable integers. We will start from the lowest number like 2 and multiply it as a coefficient with HCl, and then we come to know that now both hydrogen and chlorine atom are balanced on both the sides. 2 hydrogen atom, 2 hydrogen atom, 2 chlorine atom, 2 chlorine atom, 1 iron atom, 1 iron atom. Now this is balanced chemical equation. In this way we have to balance all the chemical equations. Equation number 2 is calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. When calcium oxide reacts chemically with carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate is formed as a product. Now chemically we will represent this equation as CaO plus CO2 arrow CaCO3. This is the formula of calcium carbonate. This is a balanced equation. Equation number 3, carbon monoxide plus oxygen. When carbon monoxide will react with oxygen chemically, carbon dioxide will form. In the form of chemical equation, we will write this as CO plus O2 arrow CO2, and in order to balance, we will put a coefficient 2 in, with carbon dioxide and also 2 with carbon monoxide. In this way, the number of carbon atoms and hydrogen atoms on both sides of the equation will become equal. Equation 4, methane plus oxygen. Methane react with oxygen, carbon dioxide, water are formed as a product, and along with this heat and light energy is released. Chemical representation of this chemical reaction is, chemically we can represent this word equation as CH4 plus O2 arrow CO2 plus H2O plus heat, and in order to balance it we will put coefficient 2 with oxygen and also coefficient 2 with water. Equation 5 is carbon dioxide plus water. When carbon dioxide reacts with water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, this is a photosynthetic process, glucose is formed along with oxygen gas. Chemical representation of this chemical reaction is this: CO2 plus H2O arrow C6H12O6. This is the formula of glucose plus O2, and in order to balance this equation we have to put a coefficient 6 with carbon dioxide, 6 with water and 6 with oxygen.